plants have made a major comeback in recent years, mainly due to the pandemic and people staying at home wanting to bring more tropical foliage into their house, and partially due to social media influencers and people posting pictures of their house plants. Now, one of the most popular ones is called Swiss cheese plant, and you can see that here because it has the little holes like Swiss cheese does. This is called Monstera deliciosa, and this is actually the most common species, although there are several others. These have the large tropical dark green leaves that are just so gorgeous and make a wonderful focal point for your home. Now, in the wild, where they occur natively in Central and South America, these can grow 70 feet in length. The leaves can get up to 3 feet wide. And so when you're growing them indoors, you need to put them in larger pots that can support that heavy weight. If you don't have a large space to let them grow over, because these are a vining plant, you need to use some kind of trellis to support it, stakes or something like that. Now, this is a smaller species of Swiss cheese plant that has much smaller leaves, is a lot more vining, as you can see, so you can put these up on trellises. Now, these don't require a lot of care. They don't have a lot of pests. Mealybugs and things like that can be a problem sometimes, but use an insecticidal soap. The most important thing to remember is to keep these in a very bright area near a large window or on a patio. Do not let them get direct light. That will burn the plants. But water them, let them dry out in between. Give them fertilizer every now and again. But this is such a great focal point and brings so much character into your home, Swiss cheese plant. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.